Alright, let's check out the point-slope form of linear equations. You may be familiar with the slope-intercept form. You may be familiar with the standard form. Um, yeah, there's different ways of writing linear equations. The point-slope form is kind of neat. And here's its formal kind of description. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And what that really means is, so what are the pieces here? X and Y are just X and Y. That's the independent variable. That's the dependent variable. You plug in X, you get Y. X, Y. X and Y are X and Y. Um, but the reason why it's called the point slope form is you actually include information about a point on the line in this. So x1, y1, what that really is um, the x and y coordinates of a point on the line. So, for example, here's an equation in point slope form. Um, y minus 2 equals 0.5 times x minus 1. All right, so you'll see that what's taking the position of the y coordinate here is 2. It's y1. And what's taking the position of the x coordinate in this form is 1. What this means is I've got the point 1, 2 on this line. Here we go. So point 1, 2, right there. 1, 2. The x coordinate is 1. The y coordinate is 2. X coordinate is 1. Y coordinate is 2. Okay? So you've actually got information about one of the points on the line actually in the equation for the line. And the other piece of it is m, the slope. So for this particular line, the slope is 0.5, or you can rewrite that as 1 half. 1 half. 1 over 2. So slope is the change in y over the change in x. So what this means is if you go over 2, then you would go up 1. Over 2, up 1. Change in y over change in x. So for this line, the slope is 1 half, or 0.5, which you can see. Over 2, up 1, over 2, up 1, over 2, up 1, etc. on to infinity. So yeah, so the point slope form is really useful. It includes some awesome information. So you get the slope and an actual specific point on the line. Kind of like, just to connect it with the slope-intercept form, the slope-intercept form gives you immediately the slope and then the y-intercept. And the y-intercept is a specific point on the line. It's where it crosses the y-axis. Here in the point-slope form, it's not only one specific, right? It's not limited to the y-intercept or something like that. This could represent any point on the line. Yeah, so it's pretty cool. Point-slope form. There it is. Enjoy.